Here's a different Lasko Pedestal fan. This one is an 18-inch model. It's white. It's an 18-inch remote control model, but this one actually has a metal grill. Like the 4-speeds model. This one doesn't have 4 speeds, I don't think. I think it only has low, medium, and high, instead of having like a super high or an extra low. Yeah, we don't really get much of these around. This one has a metal badge, I assume, like the 1880 model. And that's pretty much all there is to this one. So it's the same thing, 3 speeds, oscillation, and then I don't think there's a timer, but there it is.